Hello students, this is a passive voice tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to study the agent in passive voice. It is preceded by the preposition by and sometimes it is compulsory. In this first example, we see this sentence in active voice. Someone has stolen my car. If we rewrite it into passive voice, we'll find my car has been stolen by someone. If the active subject is someone, it means that it is unknown. So there is no by someone in passive voice. In this second example, we see in active voice, people use thermometers to measure temperature. If we rephrase it into passive voice, we'll find thermometers are used to measure temperature. Used by people. If the active subject is people or they refer to people, it means that it might be anyone. So there is no by people in passive voice. Now in active voice we see an electrician has just mended the fuses at home. The passive voice version is the fuses at home have just been mended by an electrician. If the active subject is the obvious one, it means that it is irrelevant. So there is no irrelevant agent in passive voice. Now in active voice we see my mom redecorated my room. In passive voice, my room was redecorated by my mom. If the active subject is relevant, it means that it is part of the message. So relevant agents such as by my mom must be kept in passive voice. Now in active voice we see nobody saw him. The passive voice is he was seen by nobody. Or better, he wasn't seen by anybody. Now in active voice we see British people eat a lot of fish and chips. If we rewrite it into passive voice, we'll see a lot of fish and chips is eaten. Well, by British people, is it relevant? We're using the word people. But yes, it is relevant because we are not talking about people. We're talking about British people. So whenever we put something before people, it's not the word people, it's something else and relevant. And now let's go for the double object verbs. Well, better on another occasion. To be continued.